mess with sources like that. They just tryna get me and my feeling so sad. So I had to hop up in the jag and hit the dash. Had to make up on my money, stack up on my rack.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy King J Wicks here, and today I'm going to have a 2-video special, and I'm gonna react to my boy KSI, but he's gonna be collabing with 2 people, and it's Anne Marie and Digital Farm Animals. I never heard of that, Digital Farm Animals, and the name of the song is Don't Play. So let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got hit with an ad. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it started.
Why are you crying?
Damn, why you did her like that?
Don't play games with my
This is like, this is like
now the feels hit me differently.
set vibe.
When the hitting is deep, don't play.
Okay, it's about a box.
Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels
Oh, nah, I used to rip off Marshmallow. Oh, no.
when the hitting is deep, don't play.
That's how we fought Logan.
You know, guys, we had it
Fast, ended slow.
Okay, KSI.
We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you.
Super Saiyan on you.
With your body in check. Loving all the time with you. But now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart.
Okay, so I'm gonna pause right here. 131. So, like, I think they're training for a boxing match. She got bullied when she was younger, because you could tell she was younger at the time because she had on glasses. Now she's not wearing glasses and she's training for a boxing match. So I don't really know. Maybe this is her saying, like, and if the titles Don't Play, so maybe it's like okay. Back then I was bullied, and now I'm big, I'm doing shit. What you're doing, I'm training from a boxing match because I'm actually more engaged in like bigger things in life, so don't play. Like, hey, I'm doing shit now. That's what I'm getting the vibe from her. And then KSI is training her, and then they got like the little Easter egg of him doing this shit, because a lot of people was complaining in the fight where how Logan was like, when he fought Logan, he was just doing haymakers. He wasn't really like So keep an eye from a boxing match. Let's get back into it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, she cheated.
If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play.
She's kind of fine.
Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play. Play it. Yeah. Play it. Play it. Play it. Yeah. Play it.
She whooped that ass. Let's go. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, her head kind of big, but I shouldn't be talking. So that's the end of it. The video. Honestly, the video was great. I like it a lot. Honestly, I don't really know what else to say, but I think it was great. A great video, and I was impressed with KSI because sometimes I don't really like the way how he sounds when he sings or raps. It kind of sounds a little off sometimes.
With a strap in my domain, gas up like propane, glowed up with gold chain.
But this one was smooth. I like it. It was like maybe he tried to like fix his like vocals in a way, like try to be more smooth with it.
I'm obsessed with the scent on you. Coco Chanel on your neck, with your body in check, loving all the time with you.
So I like this video a lot. Also like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. And you know, comment and let me know what you want to react to. All right, stay tuned. Peace out. Arigato. Letting me know.
Booming, got your speakers boom.